भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितम् श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्द सहोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिकाचरणोदयम् गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवाचार्य गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories, all glories. Sri Prabhupada Padma ki jai. I forget which text I read yesterday. Text number? Remember? Anyway, this page opened this way. That means the text number 38, I think. Sai sava nitya Krishna bahir mukha hoila. Devi dhame maya krito sariro podila. Sariro paila, not parila. Paila. So, who is Nitya Krishna? Jeev, living entities. Nitya Krishna means eternally Krishna's servant. Mahaprabhu says, Jeev Krishna Nitya Das. Jive Sharup hai Krishna Nitya Das. That is Krishna Tatastha Sakti Bhedavete Mukhas. This is explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Sanatana Goswami. When Sanatana Goswami was asking him this question, Ke ami keno more jare tapotroy iha nai jani koi chehito hoy saddo sadhan tatto uchite na jani kripa kari sab tatto kaho to apani. What is sadho? What is our ultimate goal to attain? What is sadhana? What is the procedure to practice to reach the destiny? I don't know anything. Sadhu sadhan tattva. Puchite na jane. I don't know how to ask it. Kripa kari sab tattva kaho to apani. Mercifully, please, let me know all these topics. But first he asked this, Ke ami. My spiritual master used to say, there is a devotee, Gurudev has got Bada, Baikhanas Goswami Maharaj. Bhakti Gaura Baikhanas Goswami Maharaj. When he asks anyone, who is this? So actual Bengali says, then answer coming Ami. Ami means this is me. who is Ami? Who is this? Ami ke? When they replied, this is me, and he said, again he asked him, who is this? Then he says, usually he says his name, you are foolish. He used to say, you are foolish. This is Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj. Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Goswami Maharaj used to do that because he was teacher. Previous life he was, not previous life, previous in his household life he was teacher, school teacher. In that way he used to teach all of us. I am Nitya Krishna Das. I am eternal servant of God. This is the answer. Intentionally, Maharaj from far, and he pretend like he doesn't know who is there. In that way, Chaitanya Math, when the Adi Math, when he was there, he saw several times how he teach new devotee like this. So K. Ami, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he knew everything. But for our understanding, for our real identity, to inform all of us, he just asking such question to Lord Chaitanya. And Lord Chaitanya replied in that way. His question was, K. Ami, who am I? Kano more, why I am? Kano more jade tapatra, why I am feeling three types of misery. I am in the misery, three types of misery, trap of three types of misery. nahi jani koi chita. I don't know what is the way to, what is the remedy, best way. What is the remedy to get rid from these three types of misery? Three types of misery. Three types of misery means adhatmik, adhibhautik, adhidvaitik. Adhatmik means from the body and mind. When misery comes from body and mind, that is called adhatmik. Adhibhautik means when misery coming from other living entities. That is adhibhautik. Adhidvaitik means misery coming from natural calamities. Three types of misery. Why? I am suffering. This is the nature of material world. When we are here, we have to feel that three types of misery. We have to be in the trap of three types of misery. What Mahaprabhu says, you have to get out from the material world. How to get out? Material world is like a cycle. 8,400,000 times the different type of pieces cycle. That is material world. Jado Jagat, different type of material universe, different type of miseries. The three type of miseries. With the different type of bodies will moving around. 900,000 times in aquatic form. 2 million times different type of non-moving living entities form. Then 1,100,000 times different type of reptiles form. 1,000,000 times different type of bird form. And 3,000,000 times different type of animal form. Animal. These are 8 million. And rest 400,000 times human form. That is the chakra. Cycle. This is not mythology. It is fact. So say savo nitya Krishna bahirmukho hoila. Bahirmukh means forget Lord. Forget the connection with Lord. Actual designation or actual identity we forget. You can see everybody talking about their material designation. I am a father of that, uncle of that person. I am engineer of that company. I am doctor of that place. So and so. But eternal identity is one. That is, we are eternal servant of Krishna. That we forget. If you forget, what is going to happen? Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that. Bhuliya tomare samsare ashiya. Why I am in this material trap, this three type of miseries trap? I forget you. What is the cause of our suffering? Pain. Bhuliya tomare samsare ashiya. Pena nabido batha. Batha means painful. I am in painful situation and forget you. Therefore I am here in this material world and suffering three types of misery, painful. Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad in his Krishna Chaitanya Charitamrita he says, Krishna bholi shai jeev anadi bahirmu kote maya tare de samsaradi dukh. As soon as you forget Krishna boli shai jeev anadi bahirmu. Anadi means uncountable manner. Uncountably, life after life after life, we become bahirmukh, means anadi bahirmukh. The Nitya Krishna bahirmukh hoila. Bahirmukh means forget Krishna. Krishna boli se jeev anadi bahirmukh atev, therefore. Atev means therefore or so. That is the reason. Whatever it is. Atev maya tare day samsaradi dukh. Maya Devi, who is a real, loyal servant of Lord, she is giving us distressful, putting us in distressful condition. Why? What is that actual distress? Samsara means material attachment. That is the distress. Mahadeva never beat us. Just attachment. You can see many people are dying in cremation ground. You can see the dead body, so many, but not everyone crying. Who has attachment? How much personal attachment with the dead body when he was alive? That person they are crying. Others are fine. So that's samsara. The samsara means material attachment. Don't think, oh, sannyasi means free from material life. No, sannyasi also. If he is thinking, I am sannyasi, I am acharya, I am guru, the attachment is there. Who will take care after me? What will happen after my departure? He also attachment. He also in type of attachment. Krishna is ultimate protector. What is the will of Lord? It is going to happen. What is the actual will of Lord? It is going to happen eventually. But of course we have to protect ourselves. The Lord give us intelligence. Dadami buddhi yogam. Tesang aniddavi yuktanang bhajatang kriti purvakam. if we are fully dedicated to serve Lord, Lord give us intelligence how to serve Him. Six Goswami, just to look, the temple, we believe Six Goswami that they are our previous teacher. But if you look at temple, his followers have nice temple, but their temple is suffering. Just look at it. So Chaitanya Charitamrita says like that way. Krishna boli sai jeev anadi bahirmukh ate maya tare day samsaradi dukh. Attachment with children, samsara, different way attachment. Children, attachment with children, attachment our material duties, whatever attachment we have to suffer. Because material attachment means it is going to change. Today you are my friend. Tomorrow I am thinking you are my enemy. Although you want to be my friend, but when I am reacting, you are my enemy, or you are reacting, I am your enemy, then you may feel, oh, I dedicate, I surrender wholeheartedly to you, or you are not accepting me. That distress will take place. You can see there are so many boys and girls when that attachment reason they are committing suicide. Once I am coming from Calcutta, that time I have a car, an ambassador car. Calcutta to Mayapur. There is a Jalangi bridge. Maharaj knows. Jalangi bridge is there. I just coming on that side, Calcutta side, I'm coming to the. Then I saw this side of pool, middle of the pool, one girls and boy, they are super, Bajaj super scooter. Beside, both are jump on the. There is no water, Jalangi was dry, and they die. Then always I have some curiosity to know why this thing happened. No one there. Then police come, then people come, then there's a loving affair. Maybe there. Then finally we got the news. Because parents not agree to arrange their marriage, that's what they jump and die. Attachment. So this is the attachment. Similarly, you can get so many districts. Once I was in just Guru Maharaj physically departed, or maybe Guru Maharaj here physically, I forget. Maybe year 2000 or year 1998 in that. I can't remember exactly which year. I was just reached in the Delhi ISKCON. Delhi ISKCON side, car, which car I was. Then I just get down from the car. A car, making find some place to garage. Then one dog, I saw a dead body. The dog, small dog, maybe he got car accident, and then in front of me. And that dead bodies, with the dead bodies were small baby dogs. Mother, his eyes, his barking, her barking is different. Crying. Looks like he's rushing towards me to bite me. I feel fear. Then I saw that animal also have attachment towards his children. When they die, I saw. You cannot say only human have. Just as you see the outside monkeys, so many monkeys there. They may fight amongst each other, 2-3 groups. But if you take one monkey inside, then all monkeys together attack you. 4-5 groups, they will be together, they will attack you. Just to release that one monkey. Attachment. Sannyasis, I'm sannyasi. If she said, you have to leave your sannyas, attachment have. No. But sannyas means not as a rope. Sannyas means bhav. Mukundasya vaprato. 24 hours serve body, mind and speech. Renounce from the material attachment. That is the called sannyas. So anyway, so Bahirmukh and means forget Krishna. Devi dhame maya krito sariro paila. All the body, Devi dham, material body is maya body. Everything maya. Maya means what is not truth, we are thinking it is truth. Body is not truth, I already explained yesterday. Body is not truth, but we are thinking its body is my identity. That is maya. So therefore we have to always think about our main purpose to be here in this material world, to stay life after life after life after here, or go back to our eternal abode. Only human, when I get human form, only that time it is only possible to proceed ourselves to go back. Otherwise, animal, apart from human, how many bodies we are getting, all are instinct, nothing can do. One elephant, he may be physically powerful, but if you tell him this, okay, I'm giving you money, buy sabji, whatever sabji, ingredients and cook here, they cannot do that. Human can do that. So therefore we have to always think about it. How much value we have in this human form. Lord give us human form. There is so much value. It's not to involve ourselves in the trap of illusion, to stay in this Devi Dham. Maya, material universe. Everything material, the 14 planetary system, 14 spheres, it's all material place. Not only Bhu, where we are staying. Bhuva, Shargolok, Moholok, Janolok, Satyalok, and 7 down, all 14 are, it's called material world. Why? Whoever born in this 14 planetary system, everybody should die. Maya means what? Where, to whom we can measure. My duration of life, maybe Bhagavan wrote 100 years. But due to the natural calamities, food, food is not pure. Like Vrindavan told me that milk nowadays in Vrindavan, milk is not milk. Actually, this is liquid soap and oil and little milk mixing big bucket of milk. Think about it. With the milk, if you drink, what is going to happen? Your life never become 100 years. Yeah, all the milk like this. She said, therefore I feel fear. I ask, this is milk from our Gosala or not? Gosala milk, I don't want to eat. So, my life, I don't know how long, but looks like how I becomes day by day, my flesh going less by less by less. I don't know how long I'm able to survive. Once my father says 72 years maximum. Now 66, maybe 16 years. Once, 56, now 16 years only.
No, it's 16 years.
It's
too long.
16 years.
Oh, that's too long.
No, but my calculation is 70 or 14 years only. That's 14 years ago. Okay, if I stay physically okay, then okay. It will be joyful I can do something. But if I become sick, problem. So anyway, Devi Dhame Maya Krito Soriro Pula. All our body, Devi Dham, Maya's body, material body. With the material body, we want to progress ourselves, fixing our mind, fixing our consciousness, go back to spiritual abode, Goloka Vrindavan. Therefore, Supreme Lord appear here in the form of Lord Chaitanya, Supreme Lord from Golok. Appear here in the form of Lord Chaitanya. Although we know Supreme Lord is Krishna, but Krishna appear here in the form of Lord Chaitanya and bringing that divine loving wealth, Golokura Primadhan, Harinam Sankirtan. He brought it here. That's simply taking shelter and go back. That is very easy. So anyway, this being have become permanently estranged from Krishna and abide in the realm of the goddess, taking bodies fashioned by her. Whatever Mayadevi's fashion, Mayadevi want to be dog, you have to be dog. If you look, dog, how their tendency, there's little bit monkey I saw. When every morning I am giving them chickpea here. This is how. The group, very scared with powerful monkey. All the young, small, skinny monkey, they are very scared. Just few piece of chickpea, they carefully just go on, took and then jump. Sometimes the big monkey, big size monkey, they are rushing towards them, they are chasing them. Just food, the same thing, you can just look. And street dog, little food store or restaurant, how they are looking, just look their eyes, just expecting some food from them. But that shopkeeper, they are sometimes, I saw, they are putting hot oil on their body. And they are just like a cry, barking, go, barking, run. This life is valuable life. We are thinking that, oh, I am human, I am a dog. Don't think about it. Today you are human, tomorrow you can be dog. This whatever fashioned by her, by Maya. Maya, there is desire you have to do. Anyway, punna papa karma krite, punna papa karma chakre, podiya ekhono, sthulo lingo dehe sada, Kore no brahmano. Punno, papo. Punno means past credit. Punno, virtue. Papo means sin is good, but people don't understand. But people understand sin is pap, but sin is bad word for Western world. Better to use the bad karma. Okay? You know, in America if you say sin, Canada if you say sin, they immediately leave that place. Because so many church, if you go to Canada, Montreal, there is all are empty. Even one or two church they want to give me. Very minimum amount of money. But huge church, elevator there, nice guest room, nice prayer hall, everything first class. But I said, what I do? I don't have any follower here. I cannot do anything here. Such a big responsibility, I cannot do that. Whenever I have dedicated more than 100 family, become devotee, then I can accept it. Connection with more than 100, but who is dedicated is very rare. So, this is the situation. Why? Empty? Because Father used to punish them. You are that sin, this is punishment like that. There was sin word in Western world, which is not good word. That's why I am using bad karma. Pap means bad karma. Punna means pious karma. Word. So pious karma and bad karma, chakri, the cycle. Sometimes punna, sometimes papa, pious karma, bad karma, mixing together. Chakre, podiya, akhana. Here, still we are in the material world, and sometime there is an explanation by our previous teacher. Kabhu sarge na. I forget that text. That the meaning of the text is this: sometime you are heaven, sometime in the hell, sometime in the Martalok, this material world, sometime bird, sometime king, sometime beggar, different way. I forget that text. Kabhu sarge, kabhu morte, naro keba kabhu. Kabhu, Pakshi, Kabhu, Manav, I forget the purport. Before I my age increase and everything, memory decrease. So what happened? Look there. So this is the chakra. This is called Maya chakra, Karma chakra. Podiya akhana. Still here in material world. How to burn the karma, how to destroy the karma, bad karma, how to take the root of the bad karma, take out the root of the bad karma. Padma Puran says, Govinda Nala Kirtanat. Says like this, Vartamanascha yat papam yat bhutam yat bhavishyati tat sarvam nirdahuttashu Govinda nala kirtanat. Vartaman, at present. Vartamanascha yat papam, whatever bad karma I am accumulating. So many, just walking. So many bacteria. I cannot see, step on, die. I do like this, so many bacteria die. Drink water, so many bacteria also there. Favorable, unfavorable, is there. Taking medication, like I got some fever, like কি বলে influenza fever, whatever disease, I don't know, malaria, whatever fever, I'm taking medication, killing so many bacteria. Pap means bad karma. They have life, I'm killing them. But this, it will be valuable if we perform ourselves to chant. If we chant, our man, when we make our body perfect, healthy, for the service of Lord, then we can say it is perfect. When we kill, it will not affect. That karma, bad karmas will not affect us. So anyway, Vartamanascha jat papam, whatever we are committing, whatever bad karma we are doing, jata bhutam, in past, what we did, jata bhavishyati, in future, the bad karma's consequence, creating another bad karma's consequence, taking us another direction. That bhavishyat means future, everything. Tat sarvam nirdahattasu, everything will destroy absolutely. How? Govinda Kirtanat, chanting the name of Govinda. Very clear, extremely clear, crystal clear. Question is, we believe it or not? If you believe it, then you can see the result. Always I am giving example to all the Western people. Do you feel anything happen in your life? They say, no, we are not feeling anything, just simply chanting. Okay, if I tell you, or not if I tell you this, take one piece of fish, cooked fish, I will give you 10,000 US dollar. Are you ready? Anybody ready? I said, no. Before you purchase by your own, from your pocket, fish used to purchase, right? Fish, eggs, meat, whatever. That you used to purchase from your own income, cook, you pay. Now, people wants to give you money to eat the fish, eggs or meat, you don't want to eat. So this is not parivartam, this is not changing. Is it not changing for you? Yeah. Why? Before you love to eat, but now you don't want to eat. Why? This is the result of chanting, result of devotees association. How you can ignore it? Changing should be there. So all the devotees, they may die, real devotee, I'm telling you this, who is not like pretending devotee, but real devotee, they may die, but they don't ready to do any harmful. If someone telling me that if you kill Pitambar, I will give you $10 million. I need $10 million too much. Should I kill him? Never. Even I am thinking about that. I cannot think. Even I feel bad about that person who gives the proposal. This is not his fault. Mahadevi sent him to test my real action against the bad karma. So situations sometimes appear like this way. Situations sometimes appear by pulling us in that trap. We have to force to accept it. But real devotee, they will not accept it. So punna papa karma chakre podiya ekhan punno, payas, karma, papo, bad karma, chakra in the cycle, padiya, fallen, now in that cycle itself. This is punna papa. If we become ferocious in human life, thinking about like a ferociousness for everyone, next life definitely be a wild dog, ferocious dog, or maybe tiger, lion, ferocious. Harinam, we can see the result of Harinam, we can see gradually person's mind calm, quiet, soft. I saw. Sympathy, forbearance covering everything. Humility, tolerance, everything covered. Automatically it will come. Sthulo linga dehe sada karena brahmana. Sthulo linga. Sthulo means this is body. Sometime human, I want to explain. Sthulo linga. I am Purush. Purush means male, female, such type of. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, this Jayanam, actually this is written by Rupa Goswami. Janamadheo Monibindra Geyo Paramakshara Krite Janaranjanaya Paramakshara Janamadheo Monibindra Geyo Janaranjanaya Paramakshara Krite Tamanadaradhapi Mana udiritam nikhila ugratapa patalim bilum nikhila ugratapa. This is most important part. All the depression, all the anxiety will dilute. Tapo, bilum pasi, everything will destroy. In that, on the base of this sloka written by Rupa Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed one song. Song started with this way. Jaya Jaya Harinam Chidananda Mrito Dham Paratattva Akshara Akaro Nija Jane Kripa Kori Namarupe Abotari. কি জানো নামটা পদ্ধতি নামরূপে অবতরি. Anyway, that's in order to deliver his own personality, devotee, he appeared in the form of holy name. Nija jane kripa kori Namurupe Abotari. I forget. Anyway, in that down, forget that. Yeah?
That sentence I like to know.
Yeah. Then anyway, this is not my focus to say. My focus is this, in that song, if you go down, then you can see there is a explanation. This is just few lines. Tapa shalpo putti paye, ugratapo dure jaye, linga bhango hoy anashe. This is the most important part in this context. Sulo linga dehe sada karena brahmana. Linga deho. Linga bhango hoy anashe. No more male, female. Sthulo deho, Shushma deho, and nitya, siddha deha. So this we have to understand. Sitting a long time. Yeah. So stula linga, the linga deho means whatever our understanding, linga deho, this body, different type of body. We can get through chanting, we can get siddha deho, spiritual perfection body, eternal body, I can get it. No more male, female, different discrimination. Stula linga dehe sada kare no bhamano. This Maya Devi, Maya Jagat, you just in the trap of Maya, she is always coming like this way. If I ask Madhavi, are you boys and girls? She says, definitely I am girl. She will not answer. If I call Pitambar, he is a boy. Male, female. That is the sense. This is material. This is a material relation, material connection. What is our main goal of our practice? To be free from material connection. Completely free. Therefore Mahaprabhu, third sloka, 6th Ashtaka, third sloka says, Amani, all the material designation, I know, all the material designation, free from all material designation, recognition, male, female, doctor, whatever designation, recognition, we are thinking everything is free. Only one thing we have to establish. This is, I am servant of Gopi Bhattur Pada Kamalara Dasa Dasanu Dasa. That we have to establish. Then we can see we are free from that. Kya hai? कभू स्वर्गे उठे कभू नृत्य पदिया 84 लोग what I explained before, this is same कभू स्वर्गे उठे, sometime our pious karma allowing us to be in Sarga, heaven, the comfortable place, comfortable place, heaven. But my conception, heaven is the most complicated place, most problematic place, most distressful place than this about Bhuloka. Why? Because if you look at the history of the universe, then you can see how Ravana took all the god and goddesses and engage all of them. Same, where is comfortable place, enjoyment place, always all the demonic person attacking that place. Hiranyakashipu also attack, Narakasur attack, Vriddasur attack, everybody attack. And they are always leaving. When Vriddasur attack, then they came to Vishnu. Vishnu said, I cannot do anything because he is my disciple. Who is Vriddasur? Chitraketu Maharaj. How he became Ashura? Parvati cuts. How she cuts? Because Parvati at once Vriddasur when he was running with plane, then he saw Kailas, then he come down Kailas, then he saw Shiva giving class, giving discourses, and Parvati Devi sitting on his lap. Then as a godfather, Shiva, disciple of Sankarshan, so Chitraketu was also disciple of Sankarshan. So godfather just mocking, joking. But Parvati unable to digest it. She cuts. But Vaishnava nature never cuts. Parvati Devi, after cursing, Shiva says, look, he also can give you cuts, but he is a Vaishnava. He never cuts you. He accepts it. Then because of that reason, he become Vittasura. So when they went to Vishnu, he said, I cannot do anything. Then problem is how we have to reach such a ferocious that you cannot stand in front of him. Then Vishnu said, I can give you an option. What option? There is a sage named Dodhichi Muni. Dodhichi Muni, if you are able to make a weapon, Vajra weapon, from his bone, if you tell me, Maharaj, I like to make a weapon with your bone, so please die. Is it possible for me to answer? A real sage, okay, for the sake of universe benefit, okay, Dodhichi Muni accepted. Then all the god and goddesses, they prepared this Vajra for Indra. And then in that is the way Vittasura. So many. If you just look, history, if you look, then you can see. So many demonic persons, they attack heaven. So how can I say heaven is a comfortable place? Sometimes we are thinking temple is a good place to stay. This is my also conception. Once I was in Howrah, near Ganga. I was reading class 10. There is a Shiva temple. One Madhwadi, yes, look, with 100 people he came and he's offering Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Namah, Om Namah. So many lotus. Full, Shivalinga full of lotus. My uncle was there. I said, Mama, it looks like waste of money. Then I saw, besides the Shiva temple, several sadhus, they are sleeping, snoring. It was 12 or 1 o'clock, they are snoring. Then they have, because we went there with the group to worship Lord Shiva, but that Marwadi, she is worshipping long time. So Shiva, so many lotus flower. Then he did arati, 4 or 5 hours. 4 o'clock. I am just feeling so much hungry. Then I said, why this is a waste of time and energy? I cannot understand. Shiva puja like this. Better to worship Krishna puja. Then Mama said, hey, foolish, you are foolish. Don't say anything. And then I have just closed my eye, closed my lips. I was waiting when they give prasadam, because kheer and puri, that is prasadam they made. I love kheer and puri. I was waiting for kheer and puri. So this is the situation. So I saw that time all the renowned person, they are just sleeping, snoring. That time I was thinking, better to be in temple. There no anxiety, just sleeping. Sleeping and eating. This is the best place for temple. But when I practically came, then I saw no time for sleeping. Because my spiritual master used to write, when he will stop, no one knows. If you are lucky, he will stop writing 12 night. Otherwise, until Mangalarati you have to wait. Sometimes you have to say, when are you going to sleep? It is now Mangalarati bell. Oh, just 5 minutes, finish. Then I finish. He just very attentively writing. Just shaking hand. I cannot say because why we should wake for him? Because his bed full of books. It is advanced age, more than 96, 97 years that time. Even more than 90 years that time. He needs some help to move the books out of the bed. Then he is able to sleep properly. That is the way. So, it is very difficult to get some time for sleeping. But that time, before I had thinking, temple is a good place for sleeping, eating and sleeping, no anxiety. Everybody giving prasad, good prasad. But now, I feel just opposite. Opposite. So, Kabhu Sarge Uthe, with the Payas Karma, we are going to Sarga. Payas Karma finish, then Kine Punya Mattala Kamasam, finish. Tum, finish. Down to the material art. But it's down to the Mittulok. This, here, Bhulok. Kabhu Niroy Padiya. Niroy means hell. Sometime in hell. Bad karma taking us hell. Chorashi Lokho Joni, 8,400,000 times. Different type of pieces form. Bhoge Bahirmukho Brahmiya. Bhoge means they are suffering. That's Chorashi Lokho, 8,400,000. Brahmiya, moving one after another. Like just think about the street dog. Think of a monkey. I don't like to be a monkey at all. I saw one monkey today, one body's part is cut. His skin out. You can see this bone. But I cannot do anything. They put some medication, I cannot do that. If I touch him, then other monkey will attack and I bite me and I have to go to hospital. This is the main problem. So, just to think about, and then you can feel just how much dangerous and how much lucky we are. How much dangerous to become Bahirmukh, forget Krishna. And how much lucky we are to remember Krishna. This is the most important part. Always you have to think who is really sincerely practicing this path. They really lucky person. In this iron age of deception, really lucky. Because of the benefit of chanting holy name. Benefit of chanting holy name cure all the bad karma. The root of the bad karma tendency, also take it out. Therefore we are lucky. Because Kali Yuga, every steps our mind always moving how to cheat others. The cheating age. Every stage we are thinking to cheat others. How to cheat? You can see. Without cheating propensity, no one can be rich in this material world. I have seen how they are businessmen telling, this is my cost price. For you, I just giving you cost price. But I know business tendency. They never speak real truth. So anyway, today I finish, no, we are not finishing. Kabhu sarge uthe, kabhu niraya padiya, 84 laksha joni bhoge, bahir mukho bhumiya. That is text number 40. We can go ahead tomorrow on that text. Then Krishna nevertheless continue to show them mercy. That topics will come. Hare Krishna.